what we're doing is a beach access, and this one is special because it has a very nice name.
What name?
Beach access. There we go.
That's my name.
Join us in checking out Paul Beach Access at 4119 Browning Road. Paul and I have just finished doing a real estate photo and video shoot and decided to check out this nearby beach access. It's an awesome day for it. I love visiting the ocean. I love seeing and being next to the ocean. The tide is low, so we have a lot of uncovered beach to explore. There are all kinds of neatly eroded formations in the rock. Paul even found a sheltered spot with a fire. And bye.